Good morning, children. Welcome back to the Hunt IIT Academy. In the previous lecture, we discussed ions, types of ions. What are the types of ions? Cation and anion. Cation is positively charged ion. Anion is negatively charged ion. Okay. How a cation is formed? By loss of electrons or gain of electrons? By loss of electrons. Anion by gain of electrons. So in this lecture we are going to discuss some more examples of different ions. Okay, let us discuss monovalent anion. Monovalent anion. Monovalent anion means one negative charge on the atom or group of atoms. One negative charge. Okay, let us discuss some examples. See, H minus, known as hydride ion. What is H minus? Hydride ion. Okay, next Cl minus, chloride ion. Chloride ion. Br minus, bromide. Bromide ion. I minus, iodide ion. F minus, fluoride ion. Okay, next OH minus, hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion. OH minus. Cn minus, cyanide ion. Cyanide ion. Okay, NO3 minus, nitrate ion. Nitrate ion. Nitrate. NO2 minus, nitrite ion. Nitrite. See, observe the difference. NO3 minus, nitrate. NO2 minus, nitrite. Okay na? So nitrate to nitrite. Nitrate, NO3 minus, nitrate, NO2 minus. Okay na? Next, HCO3 minus. HCO3 minus, bicarbonate ion. Bicarbonate ion. HCO3 minus, bicarbonate ion. MnO4 minus, permanganate ion. Permanganate ion. Okay, confuse avadu, no need to worry. So you should practice more and more. Okay, so then you will identify easily. Okay na? So you can practice more. Hydroxide ion, cyanide ion, nitrate ion, NO2 minus ion, NO2 minus, nitrate ion, NO3 minus, nitrate ion, HCO3 minus, bicarbonate ion, MnO4 minus, permanganate ion, ClO4 minus, chlorate. Chlorate ion. Perchlorate. Perchlorate ion. ClO4 minus, perchlorate ion. ClO3 minus, chlorate ion. Chlorate ion. So these are some important monovalent anions. Everyone should practice more, then you will get identify easily. Okay na? So H minus, hydride ion, chloride ion, bromide ion, iodide ion. F minus, fluoride ion. OH minus, hydroxide. Cn minus, cyanide. NO3 minus, nitrate. NO2 minus, nitrite. HCO3 minus, bicarbonate. MnO4 minus, permanganate. ClO4 minus, perchlorate. ClO3 minus, chlorate. Okay, so in your material also we are giving so many examples, so each and every example you must practice more, then you will identify easily. Okay now, so these are some examples of monovalent anion. Monovalent means only one negative charge, one negative charge. Okay now, let us discuss divalent anions. Divalent, divalent anion. Divalent means what? Two negative charges on the atom or group of atoms. Okay, two negative charge. So how divalent ion is formed? By gain of two electrons. So in anion, number of protons less than number of electrons. Why gaining of electron? Anion is formed by the gaining of electron. Okay, next one. Example, divalent ion. See, sulfide ion S2 minus, S2 minus, sulfide ion S2 minus what? Sulfide. Okay na. Next, sulfide ion. Next, SO4 2 minus, sulfate ion, sulfate. SO4 2 minus, sulfate ion. SO3 2 minus, sulfite, sulfite ion. SO3. So identify the difference. SO4 2 minus sulfate to SO3 2 minus sulfite. Okay. Next, CO3 2 minus, carbonate, carbonate ion. CO3 2 minus what? Carbonate ion. So examples, sulfide ion, sulfate ion, sulfite ion, carbonate ion. These are some examples of what? Divalent anion. Some more examples also given in your material, you can practice. Okay na. Next, these are some important divalent anions. Okay, next one, trivalent. Trivalent anion. Trivalent. Trivalent anion. Trivalent means by gaining 3 electrons. Okay now. Example, phosphide ion, phosphide ion P3 minus. What is the formula of phosphide ion? P3 minus, phosphide ion P3 minus. Okay na. Phosphate, phosphate PO4 3 minus, PO4 3 minus, phosphate ion PO4 3 minus. Phosphite, phosphite, phosphite ion, phosphite ion PO3 3 minus, phosphate PO4 3 minus, phosphite PO3 3 minus. Got it? Okay. Next one, nitride, nitride ion, nitride ion, nitride ion N3 minus. Nitride ion formula what? N3 minus. Nitride ion N3 minus, not N3 minus, N3 minus, 3 negative charges on nitrogen. So these are some examples of trivalent anion. Okay na. Trivalent anion. These are examples of divalent. A very very important in the chemistry, mostly repeated. Okay, in the formula, sulfide ion, sulfate ion, sulfite ion, carbonate ion, trivalent anions, phosphide ion, phosphate ion, phosphate ion, nitride ion. Okay na. Very very important, you must practice. Next one, now we are going to discuss cation, monovalent, divalent, trivalent. Okay na. Okay, see, CrO4 2 minus, chromate ion. Remember, chromate ion. CrO4 2 minus, chromate ion. Cr2O7 2 minus, dichromate ion, dichromate ion. okay. MnO4 2 minus manganate ion, manganate ion. CrO4 2 minus chromate, Cr2O7 2 minus dichromate ion, MnO4 2 minus manganate ion. Manganate, what is permanganate ion formula? MnO4 minus, permanganate is a monovalent anion, manganate is a divalent anion. Permanganate is monovalent anion, manganate is divalent anion. So CrO4 2 minus chromate ion, Cr2O7 2 minus dichromate ion, MnO4 2 minus manganate ion. Okay na? To write chemical formula, each and everyone should know the ions and their formulas with charges. Okay na? So practice. Chromate, dichromate, manganate, MnO4 2 minus, permanganate MnO4 minus. Okay, next monovalent cation. Cation means by loss of electrons, monovalent means by loss of one electron, okay. Monovalent, Li is gives rise to Li plus 1 electron, Na is gives rise to Na plus 1 electron, all okay. K is gives rise to K plus 1 electron. So Li plus Na plus K plus all are formed by loss of one electron. Okay na? Monovalent, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, H plus also monovalent. Okay na? Monovalent ion, H plus also monovalent ion. Okay na? H minus also monovalent anion, H minus monovalent anion, that is known as hydride ion. H plus is monovalent cation, this is generally known as proton, H plus. Okay na? Divalent cation, it is divalent cation. Divalent means loss of 2 electrons. For example, beryllium Be2 plus 2 electrons, Mg is gives rise to Mg2 plus 2 electrons. Okay, so lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium always charge plus 1. All these ions charge plus 1. You must by heart these: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Okay, beryllium, magnesium, calcium Ca2 plus 2 electron, calcium, strontium Sr2 plus, barium Ba2 plus. In all these ions charge plus 2. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. ఓకే, ఈ అన్ని అయాన్స్లో కూడా ప్లస్ 2 ఉంటుంది చార్జ్. బెరీలియం, మెగ్నీషియం, కాల్షియం, స్ట్రాన్సియం, బేరియం. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ ట్రైవాలెంట్ క్యాటయాన్. Trivalent cation. Trivalent means loss of 3 electrons. Okay na. Generally aluminum trivalent Al3 plus 3 electrons. Aluminum Al3 plus 3 electrons. Trivalent. Aluminum, charge on aluminum generally plus 3. Okay na. Aluminum. Ga, gallium plus 3. Okay na. So generally most important in trivalent cation, generally repeated in the formulas writing: Al aluminum, gallium. Okay na. B3 plus also. Okay. Next one. So these are some examples of trivalent cation. Okay na. So we discussed anions, cations, different valent, monovalent, divalent, trivalent. Okay na? So in trivalent you should remember aluminum plus 3 charge. Okay na? Anions, you must practice each and every ions formulas and with charges. Got it? Okay, so you practice all ions with formulas and charges. In the next lecture we will discuss how to write formula. To write chemical formula, everyone should know the charges of ions and formula of ions. ఓకేనా? సో మీరు అయాన్స్ బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో, నెక్స్ట్ లెక్చర్లో మనం హౌ టు రైట్ కెమికల్ ఫార్ములా, మనకు అయాన్స్ తెలిస్తే కెమికల్ ఫార్ములా ఎలా రాయాలనేది చెప్తాం. ఓకేనా? సో కెమికల్ ఫార్ములా రాయాలంటే కంపల్సరీగా మనకి అయాన్స్ తెలిసి ఉండాలి. సో ఏంటంటే మీరు కంపల్సరీగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. మోనోవాలెంట్ యానియాన్, డైవాలెంట్ యానియాన్, ట్రైవాలెంట్, monovalent cation, divalent, trivalent. And one more thing, some substances shows more than one valency. More than one valency. Some ions, for example copper, Cu plus we are called as cuprous. Cu2 plus. So copper, it can show +1 and also +2 also. Then that is more than one valency. +1 no +2. Two different charges it exists. So Cu plus called cuprous, but names different. Cuprous. Cu cupric. Cu2 plus cupric. Cu plus cuprous. This is cupric. Okay, next one. Sn, tin, Sn, stannous. Sn4 plus stannic. Sn4 plus stannic. Okay na? Next. Fe2 plus ferrous. Fe3 plus ferric. Okay na? Next one. Au plus Rs. Au plus 3 auric, gold. Rs auric. Okay na? So these are some different. Okay, so one atom exhibit more than one valency. More than one valency means here copper show +1 charge and also it can show +2 charge. Sn, tin, also it can show +2 and also +4. +2 stannous, +4 stannic. Fe2 plus ferrous, Fe3 plus ferric. Au plus Rs, Au3 plus auric. Okay na? So these also you should remember. Okay na? ఇవి కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ వైల్ రైటింగ్ ఫార్ములాస్. ఫార్ములా మనం రాయాలంటే కంపల్సరీగా ఇవన్నీ మనకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి. ఓకేనా? సో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం హౌ టు రైట్ కెమికల్ ఫార్ములా, విల్ డిస్కస్ హౌ టు రైట్ కెమికల్ ఫార్ములా. ఓకే.